Global warming is a big problem for us today. Humans are not responsible for all the global warming there is. There are natural causes to global warming such as natural greenhouse gases and the energy from the sun. Greenhouse gases work like a greenhouse. They trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere. When heat from the sun reaches the Earth, some of it is reflected back into space, but the rest of it stays in the Earth because of the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. The rise in sea levels helps support evidence of global warming because the oceans absorb much of the heat that then melts ice caps, which rises the sea levels. Sea levels rose about 8 inches in the last century. Some of the adaptations we can make to overcome the effects of climate change are planting crops that are suited for the climate and making more green buildings.
The Earth's atmosphere does the same thing as a greenhouse. The greenhouse effect is when the heat from the sun is trapped in the planet's atmosphere. The atmosphere in the air around the Earth, the atmosphere is made up of gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor, and methane. These gases also trap some of the sunlight to keep the planet warm. The sun's light shines on Earth's surface. This is called income solar radiation. This happens when the radiation from the sun is absorbed by the Earth. The Earth reflects some of the light back into the universe in the form of infrared radiation. Infrared radiation must happen to keep a balance so that the Earth will not overheat. However, human activity over time is causing a global climate change. Due to the development of humans, more gases are being released into the atmosphere. These gases are daily activities like factories, burning fossil fuels, chemicals, cutting down trees, and vehicles. These gases are producing too much carbon dioxide. It is clouding our atmosphere. Which is not allowing infrared radiation to happen. Therefore, there is no balance and over time has been causing global warming. 2014 to 2017 were some of the hottest years ever on record. If we keep this up, it will cause a disruption in the food chain. Plants and animals will die due to a lack of food and water, and the earth will dry out over time. Possible solutions that we as humans can do to reduce the effect of change are recycling, planting more trees, cutting down less trees, using more energy efficient vehicles, and controlling the amount of smoke produced by such as factories. By taking these small steps, this will reduce the carbon dioxide and other gases that enter the atmosphere. Which will stop global temperature from rising and destroying our planet. Therefore, infrared will be able to do what it needs to do to help the greenhouse effect work again.